Look at that naughty bird. Look at what he's doing. Look at what he's doing. What a very naughty bird. I told you I'm going to have to give you a bath. I'm going to give you a bath now. I'm going to pick you up and give you a bath and do your nails because then you'll stop being so sassy. Sassy bird. Sassy bird. Sassy bird. Stop it. Stop that. Bad. That's right. You're being so naughty. You're being naughty. You're being a naughty bird. What you're kicking and you're chewing on my carpet. Look at how naughty you're being. Such a naughty bird. Such a naughty bird. Look, there he goes. There he goes. Why don't you chew on your box? Chew on the box. Look at that pretty crest. And look at that naughty bird. Look at that naughty bird. Naughty, naughty bird. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, digging like a dog. Dig, dig, digging like a dog and pecking like a chicken. Pulling on his mitt, throwing the mitt. Back to his box. Ah, Birdie said yes. Up, there he goes.
You are a bad birdie, you know that?
You're a bad bird.
Oh, Birdie, I gotta go to the bathroom.
He can't get you. He's barricaded.
Yeah, he's a monster.
He is. Who was that, huh? Who was that? Is that Daddy? Was that his daddy, huh? Was that Daddy? Ah! He's after me. Bird after feet. Bird after feet. I don't know where to go with my feet. He won't let me put him down because he'll nip me. He's being a very naughty boy today. Very naughty boy. Well, you're sassy. You're sassy. Yeah, you're being sassy. You yelling and tearing up the rug. Look what you did. Look what you all did. Look what you did. I'm going to have to replace this whole rug. The whole room is going to have to be replaced. You're being a naughty bird. You're being a naughty bird. Yes, you are. You're being naughty. Are you done for now? Are you done for now? You say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 Or pause. 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 Oh, I'm afraid he's going to tantrum mode where he's going to get cranky. Bye-bye.